your first finger should be at the first fret, second string.
First
finger,
fret.
Nice. Then your second finger, second fret, fourth string. Nice one. This is should be at the second string. Nice.
Oh,
The
okay.
last, then this should be at the fourth string, second fourth. This is the second string.
Okay. Oh, 2, 4. Yeah. Okay.
Then lastly, your third finger should be at the third fret, fifth string.
Wow.
So individual fretting.
Third string.
1, 2, 3 fret.
Opo,
Yeah.
opo siya. So,
That looks like I got arthritis. Like a,
you can do that, kuya. Okay, just relax. Medyo mahirap po talaga yung ano. A little bit harder, but you can do it. And
Okay.
that's very good.
So,
So, second, fourth, fifth. Individual fretting. First, second, and third fret.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. I mean, fourth. I mean, second,
Second, fourth,
Third.
fifth.
second, fourth, fifth. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Oh. Yeah.
That's your will be your homework. Those three new
Okay.
chords, kuya.
Okay.
But you should still do this.
Yes, I will
First chord
combine
pattern.
them all. Okay, Grandma. Okay. So,